Okay, for now, let's continue about variable in JSX. When you inject JavaScript into JSX, the JavaScript is part of the same environment as the rest of the JavaScript in your file. That means that you can access variables while inside of the JSX expression, even if those variables were declared outside of the JSX code block. Ah, what's that meaning? Okay. JSX, okay, man. Replace root render argument with a JSX H1 H1. I don't know what you mean, but let's create an argument. My arg H1 H1. Inner text, the best string. I don't know what's that meaning, but let's try. Hey, sorry. I should not say that. Mm, mm, okay, let's just use this. There. It's fine. Oh, so you want me to curly braces? Okay, no problem. So it means, where is the best string? Oh, it's here. Okay. Ah, I see. I see. So what you want was to make the stack CR from the variable and call it from yeah from render. Okay, no problem. When writing JSX, it's common to use variables and attributes. Here's an example of how that might work. Okay. No problem. Hate sideline. Okay. Okay, using object. Okay. Okay, instruction on line 9. Declare a new variable name goes img. Okay. Like this, right? With img, and we can use this goes. Okay. Let's use braces. Don't forget the semicolon. And yeah, let's try this one. What the emotional damage? Let's try this and yes, src call goes and yeah, I don't know what the ALT word. Let's try. Hmm. Okay, maybe I will add more reality. Let's try this. And root dot render goes time. Okay, don't forget the semicolon and run. So we don't want to, no problem if the ALT is unneeded, no problem. But it's okay, we can render a ghost image. Good. Event listeners in JSX. JSX can have event listeners, just like HTML elements can. Programming in React means constantly working with event listeners. Okay. On click like this. Okay. Event listener. Okay. Event listener attribute's name should be something like on click or on mouse over. The word on plus the type of event that you're listening for. Look through the common components list in React docs to browse supported event names. An event listener's attribute value should be a function. The above example would only work if click alert were a valid function that had been defined elsewhere. Ah, I see. Where is the event listener? It's here, click alert, okay. Ah, I see, understood. So we can make a function, right? Click alert. And you make the alert, you clicked this image. Okay, no problem. At line 19, the root render is being pressed. Okay, let's try Kitty. Okay, Kitty, cat. Add on click attribute to the image. Okay, make doggy. Okay. So we can make other function like this. On click, make doggy. Make doggy. Okay. Let's try this. Where is make doggy? So we click and make doggy. I see, I see. Okay, it's super easy. So first, we open and run render a cat. Then we click made the image source to doggy. Okay. How to do that? There is a set attribute source like this, you know, and change the source to puppy. Okay, no problem. I think this is quite easy. It's the basic of React after all. Great work! You've learned how to use curly braces to inject JavaScript into JSX expression. This is a rule that you need to know. You cannot inject an if statement into JSX expression. Okay. This code will break. Oh, what do we do if we use if, okay, then you're replacing, okay. I don't know. It will break. So what do we do if we want to not inject the if? Let's see. JSA conditionals if statements that do work. How can you write a conditional if you can inject an if statement to JS? One option is to write an if statement and not inject it into JS. Look at if.js, follow if statement, all the way from line 8 down to line 20. Okay, line 8 to 20, let's see. Here, what do we do? So we make like this, but what there? Okay. Okay, no problem. I think I have no issue, but it means that we write the code twice, right? Like this. I don't want to do this, but let's see. Start open the app.js and write an if else statement as a guide. Okay. If coin toss is equal to heads, execute img pix kitty. Okay. If let's see where is the coin toss. It's here. Okay. Let's make it. If coin toss equals to, what is it? Equals to what? Equal to heads. Okay. Let's say heads. Execute. Let's see. We should use braces perhaps in JS. And execute img pig. Okay. Pix.gt. Okay. Let's see. img equals img src equals pix.kitty and done. Okay, else let's use else img equals okay, no problem. img src equals pix dot docky. Okay, docky and slash. Don't forget the semicolon. Okay. Let's render it. Let's render the img. Root dot render img. I don't want to write anything like this, but okay. I want to I want to make this my image. Let's say my image. Okay. What about we make this? I want to make this easier, so let's try wait, what? I didn't see any doc. Let's try again. Huh? Where's the doc anyway? I don't know. Let's try. Let my image. Let my image. I don't want to use this. What about this? I don't want to write too much. So I only want to, you know, like this. Is this possible? Is this possible? Let's say okay, I don't know, but oh, what about this? This I think it's better than before, so it's less line of code, easier to read, and yeah, you know, and I think it's better rather than the, you know, the if else before. Let's go next. JSX conditionals, the ternary operator. What's this? There is a more compact way to write conditionals in JS. I see, like this. Look at this. Just like what I already wrote before. Just like what I already wrote before. There is a more compact way to write conditionals in JSX and blah 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 blah. The ternary operator works the same way in React as it does in regular JavaScript. However, it shows up in React surprisingly often. Look at this. X question mark, then Y double dot Z. Okay. Where X, Y, and Z are all JavaScript expression. When your code is executed in X, is evaluated true or false. If X is true, and then the entire ternary blah 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 returns y. If x is falsy, then entire ternary operator returns z. Here's how you might use blah. Okay, look at this. So what do we do now is in the operands if blah blah greater than or equal to string h. This one is true, am I right? And this one when it is false. So do thin stuff false. But if true, then byte string. Okay. In the above example, if h is greater than or equal to string h, headline will equal byte string. Otherwise, headline will equal h1 do thin stuff. Okay, take a look at JS on line 16. Replace x and y and z so that the expression returns kitty if coin toss is heads. Just like what I did, bro. Let's see. Coin toss. Okay. Then return kitty. Next, return donkey. Okay, let's say coin toss. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. Let's use this braces. Kitty and doggy. Change the doggy. Let's go. Huh? What do you mean? It runs? Oh, so we don't need the braces. What the hell? Okay, no problem if we don't need the braces. Okay, next. JSA conditionals, and we're going to cover one final way, writing conditionals in React and operator. Okay, for that I want to see this one. Like the turn operator, n is not React specific, but it shows up in React very often. In the last two exercises, you wrote statements that would sometimes render a kitty and other time render a doggy, and then would not have been best choice for that code. Or people that will sometimes do an action, but at the time do nothing at all. Okay, let's see. Not baby, okay. Pizza. Okay, let's see. If the expression on the left of the NN evaluates as true, then the JSX on the right of the NN will be rendered if the first expression is false. However, then the JSX to the right of the NN will be ignored and not rendered. Okay. So it will only render when it's true. Okay. True render, false not render. Okay. I think it's more like a guard clause. Okay, what do we do now? If you've been building React website all about your favorite foods, You're excited to share your website with your friends, and yet at the same time you fear the cruel, icy harshness of their judgment. Line 15, use the and over to make it so that expression. Okay, expression and approaches bridge out. Good. Will only appear if judgmental, okay? Okay, no problem. Then let's make this slide using the JavaScript braces, curly braces. Okay, no problem. It's you're not judgmental. Let's see, where is the braces? Judgmental and like this. Wait. Good, let's try. I think it's easy. Judgmental. No judgmental. Okay. Judgmental. Good. Next, dot map array method comes up often in React. It's good to get in the habit of using it alongside JSX. If you want to create a list of JSX elements, then using dot map is often the most efficient way. It can look odd at the first. Okay. Strings.map. Okay. String. Okay. No problem. List of items. You map it. It means that it will iterate everything. Okay. No problem. Okay. I have no issue with this. Iteration. Let's do this. In the above example, we start out with an array of the string. We call it dot map. On this array string and with the map call returns a new array. Okay. On the last line of example, note that list items will evaluate to an array because it's return value of dot map. Lists don't have to be in array like this, but they can be. Okay. And card. Let's go. It's not array. You can see that dot map call is partially set up. Online time right now to complete the dot map call. Okay. The element so we can call the person. Okay, what is E? I think this is easy, bro. Let's return the person like this. Okay. Online bug 14. Call root.render. Root.render the people list. Okay. Root.render people list. Don't forget the semicolon. Okay, alright. All element. I see. So you want this, right? With UL. Let's go. Oh, I see. I forgot the braces. Oh my god, this is weird, bro. Let's go. Row preface here. I see. What about um, Omni-Man. Wait, Omni-Man. Okay, good. Next. When you make a list in JSX, sometimes your list will need to include something called keys. Okay, we need to add the key. No problem. A key is a JSX attribute. The attribute name is key. The attribute value should be something unique. Okay, similar to ID. Okay. So we can use the iteration. So I think we can make like this. The key equals li you know okay, I don't know about I don't know, let's try this index. Oops. Like this. Attribute name, okay, no problem, I have no problem. I see a list here. I see this is the best practice, bro, using the key, right? Line 10 give the element a key attribute. What should key value be? Okay. Each key must be unique. Okay, blah blah blah. Correctly pair each rendered element. Okay, add an I parameter. Okay, no problem, I think. I think there is no problem with this. Okay, let's try. People list, okay, key person underscore. Oh, okay, no problem. Person underscore. Let's try this. You don't want me to. Okay, no problem with that, no problem. No problem, I have no issue. Don't worry about that. Okay. I think it's fine. Okay, let's render. Where is the output? I need the output. Where is the output, bro? Oi. Give me the output, bro. Oh my god, we should report, bro, report. I think we should report to him. To the... Yeah, this is weird. This is weird. Okay, what about if we use something like this? Person and then we add this. Is this okay? I think yes. No problem then. Okay, next it's about React.create element. You can write React code without using JSX at all. The majority of React programmers do use JSX, but you should understand that it is possible to write React code without it. The following JSX expression, okay, count h1, okay, can be written without JSX, okay, React create.element like this. Oh my god, this is weird. H1 null. Okay, what is the null? I don't know what is the null, but yeah, whatsoever. When JSX element is compiled, the compiler transforms the JSX element into the method that you see above, create element. Every JSX element is secretly a call to create element. We won't go in depth in how React create element works, but check out the React documentation on create element. Okay. This one props. Okay, type props. So the null is props. Okay, no problem. Why would I use React instead of JS? This is weird. Okay. If we don't want all about JS, if we want to make it free from the dependency, then you should not use JS. I don't know. It's no. I think it is for prop, right? It's for prop. I think it's easy. Yeah, okay, I don't care. Let's move. Create. Okay, what do we do now? Creator div. Okay, I am div. Let's make this. Okay, div with null and let's say I am div. Yeah. Is it string? Okay, it's string. No problem then. I think it's easy. The null is not string, right? So yeah, it's correct. It's still okay if we use. Let's go next review. Congratulations, you have learned a wide variety of JSA concepts. If you don't feel like you've mastered them all yet, that's okay. This concept will come out again and again throughout your React learning journey. You are not ready to put JSX knowledge to use. Oh, I see. Oh, it's an operator. It's I know already, and it's like a guard clause. Okay, cool. Next, we are going to project and quiz, but it's going to be, we need to free trial or we need to pay perhaps. So we can continue later. Thank you. Goodbye.